This is video 1 on the European Union South region, which includes Greece, Italy, France, and Spain. The analysis was researched and created by Adam Decker, Christopher Broccoli, Morgan Hall, Andrew Manner, and Zachary Schellinger. Greece is the first country we'll introduce. Greece is located in southern Europe on the southern end of the Balkan Peninsula. Greece has land borders with Albania, Macedonia, Bulgaria, Turkey, the Aegean Sea, the Ionian Sea, and the Mediterranean Sea. Greece's population is 10,746,740 people. The age distribution amongst the people in Greece is 14.35% ages 0 to 14, 65.46% ages 15 to 64, and 20.19% ages 65 plus. Income level is high, and the level of development is developed. Greece's infrastructure consists of 77 airports, 12.5 million cellular telephones, 116,960 kilometers of highway, 7.4 million internet users, 2,548 kilometers of railway, and 5.1 million telephones. Greece's top 3 trade partners are Germany, Italy, and China. Top industries are tourism, food and tobacco processing, textiles, and chemicals. World's GDP is $287.8 billion. GDP growth rate is 0.012%. GDP per capita is 26,783. GDP country rank is 56 out of 190. Greece's total imports are $47.5 billion. Greece's top 2 imports are oil and mineral fuels and industrial machinery. With the U.S., Greece imports $731.7 million. Greece's total exports are $27.8 billion. Greece's top 2 exports are oil and mineral fuels and aluminum. With the U.S., Greece exports $1.2 billion. Next, let's look at Italy. Italy is located in southern Europe, comprising the boot-shaped Italian peninsula and a number of islands including Sicily and Sardinia. Neighboring countries include Austria, France, Holy See, San Marino, Slovenia, and Switzerland. Italy's population is 60,600,590 people. The age distribution amongst the people in Italy is 13.61% ages 0 to 14, 63.68% ages 15 to 64, and 22.71% ages 65 plus. Income level is high, and level of development is developed. Italy's infrastructure consists of 129 airports, 85.9 million cellular telephones, 487,700 kilometers of highway, 38 million internet users, 20,182 kilometers of railway, and 20.2 million telephones. Italy's top 3 trade partners are Germany, France, and the United States. Top industries are tourism, machinery, iron and steel, and chemicals. World's GDP is $2.3 trillion. GDP growth rate is 0.88%. GDP per capita is $38,161, and GDP country rank is 11 out of 194 countries. Italy's total imports are $404.5 billion. Italy's top 2 imports are motor vehicles and parts and oil and mineral fuels. With the U.S., Italy imports $15.3 billion. Italy's total exports are $461.5 billion. Italy's top 2 exports are industrial machinery and motor vehicles and parts. With the U.S., Italy exports $40.8 billion. Next, let's look at France. France is located in Western Europe with several overseas territories and islands located on other continents and in the Indian, Pacific, and Atlantic Oceans. Metropolitan France, the mainland in Europe, borders the Bay of Biscay, English Channel, Belgium, Spain, Germany, Italy, Switzerland, Monaco, Andorra, and Luxembourg. France's population is 66,896,109 people. The age distribution amongst the people in France is 18.17% ages 0 to 14, 62.48% ages 15 to 64, and 19.35% ages 65 plus. Income level is high, and level of development is developed. France's infrastructure consists of 464 airports, 67.5 million cellular telephones, 1,028,446 kilometers of highway, 57.2 million internet users, 20,640 kilometers of railway, and 39 million telephones. France's top three trade partners are Germany, Italy, and the United States. France's top industries are machinery, chemicals, automobiles, and metallurgy. World's GDP is $2.7 trillion. GDP growth rate is 1.188%. GDP per capita is $41,466, and GDP country rank is 10 out of 194. France's total imports are $560.5 billion. France's top two imports are industrial machinery and motor vehicles and parts. With the U.S., France imports $39.6 billion. France's total exports are $488.8 billion. France's top two exports are industrial machinery and aircraft. With the U.S., France exports $36.1 billion. Lastly, let's look at Spain. Spain is located in southwestern Europe. The coastlines include the Bay of Biscay, Mediterranean Sea, and Northern Atlantic Ocean. Neighboring countries include Andorra, France, Gibraltar, Portugal, and Morocco. Spain's population is 46,443,959 people. The age distribution amongst the people in Spain is 14.78% ages 0 to 14, 66.06% ages 15 to 64, and 19.17% ages 65 plus. Income level is high and level of development is developed. Spain's infrastructure consists of 150 airports, 51.9 million cellular telephones, 683,175 kilometers of highway, 39.1 million internet users, 16,102 kilometers of railway, and 19.5 million telephones. Three trade partners are France, Germany, and Italy. Top industries are textiles and apparel, food and beverages, metals and metal machinery, and chemicals. World's GDP is $1.6 trillion. GDP growth rate is 3.236%. GDP per capita is $36,310, and GDP country rank is 26 out of 194 countries. Spain's total imports are $302.5 billion. Spain's top two imports are motor vehicles and parts and oil and mineral fuels. With the U.S., Spain imports $14.4 billion. Spain's total exports are $281.7 billion. Spain's top two exports are motor vehicles and parts and industrial machinery. With the U.S., Spain exports $12.5 billion. Thank you for watching, and please look for videos 2, 3, and 4 on the European Union South.